So simply just go to the link in the description and well, you can skip down to the parameters. All you need to do is, there are some instructions. All you need to do is change the parameters. So I'm just going to change the number of teeth of the two gears. So the first one is 24. That's the first gear, and the second gear is 18 teeth. So I'll just input that, and the dimension of the hole, center hole for the two teeth, I will set it to 4 millimeters, and then just click update. Everything is in millimeters. And then I'll just download the SVG file. So now I'll go straight to Lightroom to import the SVG file and just laser cut. It's that simple. So I'll just click import, click on the file, the SVG file, just download it, and then we have it. So I'll just ungroup twice so that I'll just remove all these blue lines because they are just extra lines like the pitch diameter and the addendum and the dendum. And then yes, now we have the gears, but before I move anything, I want something to hold the two gears, so I'll just create a rectangle, and then I'll create a hole on the rectangle so that the gears can be easily mounted. So I'll just ungroup the gears first so that I can have control of the circle. I can just select the two circles and then duplicate, and then I will select the rectangle, which is the bar that will hold the gears, and then shift move it upward. Now we have the three components to the entire thing. Now I'll just set it up for cutting.